Welcome to this guided energetic affirmation. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to guide you through a simple process to receive an affirmation on the deepest levels of who you are. This quick and easy process will shift you from feeling like something is missing in your life to realizing you are already whole. Go from feeling lacking and disconnected into a new world overflowing with abundance and opportunity. To begin, find a comfortable place to sit and take a few deep breaths, breathing in and out, in and out. One more time, breathing in and out. Now allow yourself to think of a problem or challenge in your life. What's something you're currently unhappy with? This could be something like worries around money, feeling lonely, or simply feeling a little anxious or depressed. Now, place a hand on your heart, and with your challenge in mind, repeat this question. What do I feel like I am missing in my life right now? Go ahead and say the question out loud. Sit with this question until you receive an answer. Perhaps your answer has to do with relationships, and you are missing the feeling of a divine union or partnership. Maybe the challenge is money, and what you are missing is enough cash coming in. Perhaps you're a little depressed, and when you ask the question, you realize you feel like you are missing a feeling of self-worth. Other examples of what might be missing are respect, friendship, fun, confidence, connection, magnetism, joy, health, passion, or appreciation. There are no limits to what your missing need or desire might be. Allow yourself to let a clear word or short phrase flow into your mind. What am I missing in my life right now around this problem or situation? Go with the first word or phrase that flows in. Okay, have you got your word or phrase of what you are missing? Now, on a scale of 1 to 10, give a rating for how strongly you feel like you are missing this need or desire. With 1 being it's a small, barely noticeable feeling, and 10 being you want this missing need or desire more than anything in the world right now. Okay, got your number? Next, I want you to imagine an energy field radiating from your heart and flowing upward over your chest, face, and head, and back down to your feet. This energy field flowing in a circular motion all around you, up, down, over, and under. This electromagnetic field, sometimes called an aura, holds an energetic signature, one others can subconsciously feel and pick up on. Allow yourself to feel what experiencing your missing need is like. Can you think of a time when you received this need? If not, perhaps you've seen someone else receive this need. If it was someone else, put yourself in their shoes. What does having this need feel like? Trust whatever memories or sensations come into your mind. You want to really get in the feeling of what having this missing need or desire feels like. Now, with your hand on your heart, allow yourself to imagine a white light containing this fulfilled need flowing down from your hand and into your heart space, flowing into the energetic field emanating from your heart. Repeat this affirmation: I am the frequency of, and then fill in the blank with your need. For instance, I am the frequency of respect. I am the frequency of joy. I am the frequency of money flow. I am the frequency of divine union. Repeat this affirmation based on your missing need several times, while focusing on the white light flowing in. This frequency is becoming a part of your mind and entire electromagnetic field. Allow yourself to become the frequency of your need and desire. You'll know you have fully received this energetic affirmation when you feel a sense of ease and peace begin to return. When you feel complete, think about your missing need one more time. Do you feel different in some way? Has the feeling of lack around the need shifted? Give it a rating on a scale of 0 to 10 of how strongly you feel you are missing the need. Your answer now might be 0. Compare this to the rating you gave at the beginning and notice the shift.